Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today I am so excited because I have my Fabfitfun Edit Sale. This is in another one of those big boxes that I keep getting, but I don't think I ordered this much, so I'm going to open this up and we'll see what I've got. Okay, I feel better now because by the time I open it up and take all the fluff out, there's a lot of space in there, so it was just a really big box. So I'm going to take everything out of this so we're not struggling with it on my desk. Alright, so be sure and stay to the end of the video because I have a mystery bundle and I'm going to save that to the end because we have a little community interaction going on with it and I think it's going to be kind of fun. So right off the top, I will show you what you guys who see all of my FabFitFun sales know that I always get. I pick up whatever they have that I think that I need in the Daily Concepts line. So this is the Daily Concepts Stretch Washcloth, and that is what that looks like. And this is the Daily Concept Bio Cotton Makeup Removers, and this is what this looks like. I have actually purchased this before, and I got this in my Bella Skinbox, and I really like that for taking off my eye makeup and stuff in the evenings. I like it. And this one I have shown you before, but I will show you really quickly. It is one of their washcloths that is stretchy, and you can use it like a regular washcloth or do your back with it, which is the main reason I get it. They're so scrubby and they feel so good. And I will do like I do with all of these videos. I will put the prices down here as we go. And just so you know, these cotton pads, they always come in this pouch that is great for putting them in for washing. And they come in different sizes. There's these smaller round ones and then these bigger, almost square ones. And the bigger ones have a rougher back, so you can use it for your whole face. I really enjoy these for taking off my makeup in the evening, so I wanted to have more around than just the one pouch that I had. So if you are new to FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a lifestyle box, and it comes out spring, summer, fall, and winter. And you generally get 8 items with a value of, I think, more than $250. I will put my link below. You get $10 off your first box if you want to go over and check it out. I think probably they're doing an editor's box right now, getting prepped for fall. But if you have any questions about it, it is $49.95 if you do seasonally, or if you sign up annually, it ends up being $44.95. Next, I have this, and I can't show you it in all of its glory because I am just a tad superstitious. I will do what I can though. It is an umbrella. It is not for me. Oh look, here's a picture of it. This is what it looks like. I got it for my girls, and I just thought it was so cute. I will open it just enough so that we can see the print on it. Oh look, it has a little tail. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? And then the flowers and the eyes on it. And then once you get it open, let me pull this. It has a unicorn horn and it has ears. How cute is that? That is so cute. They are going to love it. I have one particular granddaughter in mind who might have a slight unicorn obsession. Okay, next I have a Terra Mare, and this is the Rose Water and Aloe Toner. We received the Tea Tree and Aloe Toner, I think in our FabFitFun box. This is what that looks like. And I haven't used it yet because that one's a little more astringent, but I read about this one and it seemed like it was better suited for my skin. And when you take this one out, this is what it looks like. And it has a little pump, which I did not expect. Let's see how rosy it is. So I just put a little of the liquid in my hand. Oh, it's very nice. Very light rose scent. Oh, it feels very refreshing. I am going to like this after cleansing in the morning. Okay, and next I have a hair product. I will tell you, my beach waver broke. I have written to them. I haven't heard back from them yet. You might have noticed I've been a little straight-haired lately. The part that clips, it has 2 screws that screw it in, and my screws just stripped. My husband tried to put them back in for me and everything, and they won't stay secure. So I'm waiting to hear back from them because I haven't quite had it a year. But I love it, so if they can't fix it, I'm going to have to buy another one. I'm hoping it's under some kind of warranty. This though, how cute is this? This is just a little hot brush. See how tiny it is? It is so cute. When I do my hair straight, my hair is very straight. This is just my hair washed and blow dried. And when I do it straight, up under here, especially in the summer, it wants to get a little bit fuzzy. So I thought if I got this hot, I could just, ooh, caught my earring. I could just drag it through and hopefully make that less fuzzy. That's what I'm thinking. And it's by Amika. And it was a really good price, I think. Like I said, I'll be putting the prices on the camera so you'll know. But I'm definitely giving this a try. And what's great about it is it came in a little bag. So when I'm not using it, I have somewhere to store it because I won't use it regularly. It would be great for travel though. Because you know, sometimes, have you ever noticed when you travel and you're using different water, your hair reacts differently? Well, mine tends to want to get fuzzy, so this will be perfect. Next, and I feel really confident that I did not order this, I have a Aveda damage remedy. And I feel really confident that I did not order this. I have a Aveda damage remedy. I have like 3 of these over there. I use it. I use it a lot, and I will use this one. But I feel confident that I didn't order it. So we're going to have to look into this and see what I've got. I will try and let you know here or down in the comments what the story was, because I fear that if I have this, I'm missing something else. But I don't have a list of the things that I ordered. I'm going to have to get online. But like I said, I will try and let you know what this is supposed to be. But I do love this. I pull it through the bottom of my hair after I get out of the shower and my hair is still damp. And I love the way it leaves my hair feeling. And it says that it is instant visible repair and it protects from heat styling. So it's got a heat protect in it too, which is fantastic. Okay, next I have nail polishes. You know, I've been doing my nails lately and I keep talking about this. This is the same manicure. Yeah. The same one. It's been, I think, 11 days now. Regular nail polish. It's a Nails Inc nails polish. It has that Essie Couture gel top coat over it, but it's just a regular drying gel and it comes off like a normal polish does. It is fantastic. I chose these because they're glitters. And I like to usually do something different on one of my fingers, and this is its a peel-off glitter. I don't know whether to believe them or not. If you've used this in the past, let me know below if it's really peeled off for you. But I was thinking if it would truly peel off, because I usually don't use glitter because it's a nightmare to take off with nail polish. If this will truly peel off, that will be fantastic. And I have it in a silver and a gold. And they're just really pretty. So they're Butter London, and I can't wait to try them. Next I have, last month I got this in coconut. And this is in the Cara Orange. I should say this is the edit sale. This is the sale that they've always had between boxes, you know, like between spring and summer, or like now, summer and fall. Halfway between, they usually do an edit sale, and you get up to 70% off the products, and that's what this is. But now, they do so many more sales, I'm just never even sure. I just posted a Memorial Day sale that I haven't had too long, and a surprise sale just ended last night that I picked up a couple of things in. They are constantly running sales now, but this is the edit sale, and this is the Cocoa Floss Cara Orange flavor. I am using the coconut mint flavor now, and I love this floss. It's kind of waxed, but it's not too waxed. So if you like a really smooth one, that's not what this is. But it still gets between your teeth really well, and it's a little rougher. It uses coconut, and so it stays a little more rough, and it works so well. I can't smell the orange in it. So it will be interesting to see if I can taste it, because the mint one is fantastic of mint. And again, it's the Cocoa Floss. And I think this was $5. I'll be letting you know. Next, speaking of my hair and oil, I have the Moroccan Gold Series Argan Oil for all hair types. It's 1.7 ounces. And I think this is just going to be an oil. Like I said, I like to pull it through the ends. I do it probably once or twice a week. I've told you guys I'm an everyday washer. I try not to be, but I just am. So I do go through it, and that's what this is. I'm right now using the Moroccan oil. My light just crunched. Did you guys hear that? I hope that doesn't mean it's coming down. Oh, to be honest, that's a little disappointing. It's just an open top. I had kind of hoped it would be like a shaker lid or something so you could really take control over how much you got, but it'll still work great. Oh, and it has a lovely scent. It smells like all of the Moroccan Gold Series products, and I've told you guys 1,000 times, I love their masks. Okay, next, also something you guys, if you watch the channel, know I love, beauty blenders. These are the micro minis, and see how tiny they are? I'm not going to take these out of here because I have a million going and you guys can see how tiny they are, but I love these because when you get them wet, they do grow a little bit, and these are so perfect for concealer. They grow enough and they just give you a little perfect application of concealer, or I have said I use the paint pot, the MAC paint pot for my lids, and you can take the bottom end of these and kind of in the paint pot and then your eyelids, and I find that to be the best way to do application. Next, I have a plain white box. I don't know what's in it. It's going to be a surprise for both of us. Oh, so I got this. Okay, this happened to a few people because one of you, let me know below who you are, let me know that it happened to you too. I didn't order this, and they credited me for it. I got an email saying they knew I didn't order it, that they were crediting me for it, but I didn't think I was going to get it because of that, but apparently they had already packed it, and it is a gorgeous Vera Bradley tumbler. How beautiful is that? It's super pink and it has the straw and it's a good big one. I mean, can you guys tell how big that is? It's huge. It says on here that it would be $16, but I think they charged and then credited me like $11. It's 24 ounces. And now that I have my glasses on, I can see that under the flowers is a nice rose gold kind of glittery paper. So pretty. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll use it. I didn't order it, but I will for sure use it. Okay, something else that's a little unusual, but with all of the cooking I've been doing lately, I decided I needed these. They're just cutting boards. It's a set of cutting boards. Can you see all the colors in there? And they are, let me tell you exactly what they are. They're from Zule, a set of 4 non-slip cutting mats, 12 by 15, and they're conveniently marked with icons to prevent the mix-up. And like this one has fruit on it. I'm not going to take them all out because you guys don't care about what cutting boards look like. But if you have any questions about them, let me know below. I got them because I have a booze board, a big wood chopping board on my counter. I feel like I'm doing so much cooking now that I'm going from veg to meat and back. And I just thought if I had something that I could lay over the board and I wasn't constantly having to lift that huge, heavy board that I insisted on having and my husband told me it was going to be too heavy. That is not the point. The point is now I have something to cover them so I don't have to lift the board and clean it. I can just clean these. Okay, and last of the regular products, I have the Beauty Crop Dawn Gazing Palette. And that is what that looks like. I am not sure but what this is coming in a box that I have coming this month. I didn't know that when I ordered it. I want to say, is it fashion stuff? I don't know. I might be completely making that up. But I feel like after I ordered it, I saw it in a box and I was like, that's fine. It'll be great for a giveaway. All right, when I open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really kind of technical. And, oh, the inside is very pretty. I'm not going to swatch this because I might want to set it aside for a giveaway. It is very neutral, a little more neutral than I anticipated. Can you guys see that? And I feel like I own these colors. So it has a nice plastic cover on it, which is why it wants to reflect on you guys so much. So I'm going to go ahead and cover that back up and set it aside for a giveaway. Okay, now for the fun part that I was telling you guys about. Jessica over at EverythingProof Beauty and I were talking and we both ordered mystery bundles. And you know, you get a mystery bundle from them and it might be good, it might be a bag full of stuff you would never use in your wildest dreams. So you just don't know what you're going to get. And this was the edit sale. And we decided that the bundles that came that you bought as an add-on when you were getting your seasonal box, so they literally came the same time as your seasonal box, had better stuff in it. The edit sale seems to be when they tend to, let's say, get rid of a little more of the old stock. So like I said, it could be fantastic, it could stink. So what we decided to do is we're both showing our mystery bundles. And then we're going to put on our community tab for you guys to go out and vote for who you think has the best mystery bundle, just to play a game and have some fun. So after you're done watching my video, go over and check hers out, and then you can vote twice if you want. You can vote in my community tab and in hers, and then we will tally up the votes, and the winner will have bragging rights. And we have that kind of relationship. We will like bragging rights, won't we, Jess? We like to tease each other, so we will definitely use the bragging rights. Mostly I tease her about her unhealthy obsession with glitter. I'm just saying, she loves the glitter. Actually, I don't know if you guys can tell, I did my eyes super glittery today in honor of our little, I don't call it a collab because we're really just doing our mystery bundles. But anyway, so watch mine, watch hers, and then go down in our community tabs and let us know who you think won. Okay, so here's my bag. I have tried to pay very little attention to it, but it looks like I may have gotten a towel or something. So we're just going to rip the bag open. You usually have 3 or 4 products in here. It can vary. They say it should have a value of more than $100, and they are $29. So my first is, it looks like a Summer and Rose blanket, I think. It could be a shawl, I guess. I'm already feeling like Jess might win this one. No, it must be a scarf. It's not, it's only this wide. So it's just a nice winter scarf. Very, very handy here in July when it is almost literally 100 degrees outside. It is super soft though. I shouldn't make fun of it. I'll be wearing it this winter. Well, will I? Will I get to go out? But it's so pretty. I mean, it has a nice fringed bottom and it's just a nice cream color in a knit. I have the knit everywhere though. And it is super soft. It will be thick. I mean, it is just, okay. That's my first product. All right, reaching in next. Darn it, Jess, you're going to win this. Reaching in next, I have a Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. And that is what that looks like. You guys, We've gotten these in past boxes. Actually, I think maybe the very first FabFitFun box that I ever got had these Glam Glows in it. All right, next I have, ooh, I'm making a comeback. Skin Authority Super C Serum. That is what that looks like. I've never heard of the Skin Authority. Is that like Sports Authority but for your skin? It's a blue bottle. I am not going to open this because it is a vitamin C product, and you guys who watch the channel know I don't use vitamin C products. That is what that looks like. And it also has, and I'm not going to take it out, there's a dropper in the bottle, but since it's not sealed, I don't want to take a chance on touching your dropper. But this is really cool. It says, it is a powerful boost of vitamin C, fortified with, oh, that's a word they've made up, picogenol. It will give you a firmer, more toned appearance. Okay, reaching in, last but not least, I have, oh, you know what? I don't hate this. And I bet some people will be like, what? It is the Architect Bamboo Cook Tool Set of 5 cook's tools. Bamboo. Oh no, I was gonna read it again, but it's just it in French. You probably don't want me to try that again. But let's see what these babies look like. This might be what pulls out the wind for me. We're gonna look at these things. Oh, they're color coded, and they really, oh, you know what? These will definitely get used. I'm telling you, with all the cooking we're doing these days, this I love. And look, the handles are all different colors. So we've got orange and purple. Oh, they're tied together right now. Teal, yellow, and blue. This one's good, right? Okay, let me know below what you guys think about my mystery bundle. It had the lovely bamboo spoon set, the nice vitamin C serum, this lovely winter scarf. Who doesn't need a winter scarf? And my Glam Glow bubble sheet. Let me know what you guys think. After you go and watch Jess, don't forget to come back to my community tab and vote for who you think won. Thank you so much for coming by and watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And let me know below if you have any questions about all the stuff that I just ran through really quickly. And we'll talk soon. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye.